Do you know anyone that really doesn't like to see the ribbon on their screen? I do. Luckily, you can set it to hide and only appear when you want it, or you can show the tabs only. You can take control of how your ribbon is displayed by clicking on the ribbon display options in the top right corner of your screen. Click on Auto Hide to close the ribbon away entirely. It will then only appear when you click at the very top of your screen. Click on Show Tabs to see the tabs only, or if you've closed it away by accident, it's good to know that you can click on Show Tabs and Commands to get it back. Phew, that's better. And that's why you need Quasar, improving efficiency and effectiveness with Microsoft Office. For more information, call us now on 08458 626265 or visit www.quasar.co.uk.